Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiesta Coleman here. I'm a mom of three, a full-time student, and a wife. On this channel, I share all things homemaking, cleaning, budgeting, and life as it happens, from managing a busy household to keeping it real with everyday vlogs. I'm here to inspire and connect with you. And welcome to my channel, y'all. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing. It'll really help my channel out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning the home and catching up on laundry. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Right outside your doorstep, nothing's quite as it seems. You were standing in the street, alone with all your broken dreams. Seems to me that you don't bother the one who tells deserves another. No one sees the wounds you're licking. Feeling sorry while the clock is ticking. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. So after I was done with laundry, I went straight into the kitchen and start cleaning up the kitchen. Usually I will try to clean up the kitchen at night, but sometimes I am so exhausted. I tell myself it is okay. Leave the kitchen dirty and you can clean it in the morning. Once you're done from the gym, I try to take care of myself first, go to the gym after I drop off to school. After I drop off the kids to school, and then I'll head to the gym. And then once I come back, I will clean up the kitchen and then do some homework. I am currently a full-time student. I am working on my bachelor's degree in human resource. So I try not to beat myself up every day. I am very busy. My kids play sports. Three of my kids. I have two gymnastic girls, and then my son plays baseball. So every day we have something to do in this household. So I try to keep it together and not fall apart. And yeah, so I tell myself every day it is okay to do one thing at a time. I get so annoyed when the house is dirty, but it's life. Sometimes it's not perfect. My house is not clean all the time, but here I am trying to catch up cleaning the kitchen since I left it the night like this. And I hope this video motivates y'all, and to all my moms or my busy women's out there, it is okay to not do everything in one day. Sometimes we want to be super women, but sometimes we are tired too.
I can't hide, trusted God's speed. Hey, trusted God's speed. It's a way just begun. Think too much before I'm done. Open up, let it in. Don't stop the God's speed. The words just come naturally. Time just flies passionately. Almost done. Throw the dice. Don't stop the God's speed. In case I make mistakes, better learn and hope. Maybe this will suck. It's a chance of luck. In case I'm running late, there's no time to wait. Run, 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 run. Basement vibes, inner fight. I can't hide. Trusted God's speed. Basement vibes, inner fight. I can't hide. Trusted God's speed. It's me. Basement vibes, inner fight. I can't hide. Trusted God's speed. Basement vibes, inner fight. I can't hide.
So I took a little pause after I was cleaning the kitchen. I did a little bit of Costco haul. I went to pick up some toilet tissues and some eggs because we were out. And I took a shower first, and then me and my daughter head to Costco before my kids get off of school. So I always buy my eggs at Costco, and I buy a whole box, and I just reuse the containers that I have on hand to put all the eggs inside. I know it's not aesthetically pleasing, but it saves money. And here I am just putting away leftover food that we had for dinner. We had pasta, and then I had rice for breakfast with bacon and eggs. So I was putting it up. I like to use leftover rice for fried rice the next day.
Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Cause you waited on, you waited on a miracle. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle. Right outside your doorstep, nothing's quiet. right as it seems. You were standing in the street, alone with all your broken dreams. Seems to me that you don't bother. The one in turn deserves another. No one sees the wounds you're licking. Feeling sorry while the clock is ticking. 'Cause you waited on, you waited on. Out of luck and now you prayed for. 'Cause you waited on, you waited on. Out of luck and now you prayed for a miracle.
If you guys are still watching, thank you again for staying and watching the video. I hope you guys like this video. Please consider subscribing if you guys are not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.